Yeah, good day guys, this is Chibuzo Aguwa and you're welcome to Login for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to lock apps in your Xiaomi smartphones. And if you follow the steps, it doesn't, as in you don't actually need to download any third-party apps from the Google Play Store whereby using doing this. We're actually going to use a pre-inbuilt app that comes with the Xiaomi phones, or Xiaomi phones actually. And which app am I talking about? Is a security app. As you can see, there's a very one we shall be using in carrying out the steps. I know many of us are quite we actually want to have privacy in some of our applications or mobile apps. We're looking for means whereby we have to like restrict people from having access, and we went further to Google Play Store to download application that does that. If you have a Xiaomi phones, you don't need to pass through all the stress because you can actually do that with the security app. So now let me show you the steps as we go on. So the first thing you have to do, you have to tap on the security app and it will open and it will look something like this will appear. Yes, actually. So you now have to scroll to the bottom to the portion that you have app lock. As you can see, and there's the app lock that I'm talking about. So you have to tap on the app lock, and actually I've not set it on this phone because I actually set it and I have to like deactivate it so that I'll teach you the tutorials. So now the first thing you have to do, you see the indication that says below turn on app lock. So we have to turn on the app lock. As I clicked on it, turn on app lock. Now once you click turn on, it will bring this portion for you to actually choose a password, or yes, the actually, because you have to conduct at least 4 dots for it. So now for this test, let me connect this tree and this one, and it will bring second information for you to confirm. Yes, I've confirmed. And now the next thing you have to do after drawing both connections, you have to click next, and it's now say current account, blah blah blah, and your IMI account. I'm offline because I'm shooting this video. I'm not connected to the internet yet. So for now, I will say not now because I don't want to add my MI account. I'm not connected to the internet. So not now, we tap on that. So now this portion will now appear whereby it have already indicated some apps which it intends locking, like for my gallery, Facebook, file manager, messages, Chrome, and the like. So we have to like just to confirm, you say use app lock. Now fingerprint, no, I don't want to use fingerprint at the moment. And actually I've activated app lock in all of these apps: my YouTube, gallery, messages, contacts, Chrome, file manager, notes, and Facebook. So if I want to like include more apps, I'll have to like toggle this on or off for each apps to be included in the app lock. So now we're done. Let us go back to confirm if it actually works, if my apps actually locked. For example, now let me open Facebook because it's one of the app that indicates that it has been locked. So once I tap on Facebook, as you can see, if a total stranger taps on your Facebook, he or she wouldn't be able to unlock the app. So you have to input that password that I drew, and as you can see, the Facebook app is now open. So if somebody doesn't know the port and the password you use, as in the 4 dots you connect, he or she wouldn't be able to open your apps. You can see how easy it is for you to actually lock your apps on the or if you're actually using a Xiaomi phones by using the pre-inbuilt app that comes with it, the default app security app. So now once you're done, now the next thing, maybe you feel that yes, you want to like give up, you want to deactivate this. I'll be showing you the steps on how to do that to disable app lock completely. So if you like this video already, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up, and if you're still yet to subscribe to this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release another tutorial video just like this. A technology related channel, and we do dish out tutorials periodically, so you can kind of be part of the family that by doing just what I said. Hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification. You'll be notified whenever I release my next video. So now let's go the next step, deactivating this app. So you still follow the same steps we follow at the beginning. You tap on security, you scroll below to app lock, and it will always ask for your password. Remember those 4 dots you connected, and it is here. So now if you see at the top this gear icon, which stands for setting, that's the icon we shall be following if you want to deactivate this. So you tap on the gear icon, as you can see, app lock is on, it's toggled on. So all you have to do to deactivate app lock is to actually toggle it off, and it will ask you your app lock password will be deleted. Turn off app lock now. You said okay. So now automatically I've deactivated it or turned it off. Now let's test by still opening my Facebook. As you can see, it opened just once without requesting for the password. You can see how easy it is for you to actually turn it off once you've turned it on. So if you find this video interesting enough, like I said from the beginning, kind of give it a thumbs up and anticipate for my next video. So we've come to the end of this tutorial video for now. Chibuzo Agua remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. If you see yet to hit the subscribe button, kindly do that before you leave, because you'll be notified whenever I release my next tutorial video. So bye bye for now.